Good day, people! Today we're gonna learn how to cross obstacles by lifting our nose and tail. Very fun and easy movement. Let's do it! Let's start with the position. The feet goes wide and we place them on nose and a tail, and the body stay low. We push with our back foot the tail, and at the same time we lift our front foot and bend our knee. Okay, let's do it again. Starting on our bolts and moving our feet to nose and tail, preparing for moving forward. Start the whole trick by using your arms and hands. The upper body is very helpful in skateboarding. If you succeed, try to go backward. Practice and take your time. When you're ready, gain some speed and try the same exercise while skating. Find a stick or draw a line on the floor, and now while skating, be prepared to lift the nose in a moment when it's crossing the obstacle. And after, the same thing we're gonna do with the tail. Okay, enough of theory. Just practice, take your time. It's very fun and useful movement. You can use it to cruise around the city, and you don't need actually an Ollie to cross many obstacles. Enjoy skateboarding, guys. See you next week.